Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see chicken upma.
For this recipe, we need to take 500 grams samba rava, that is broken wheat rava. Let's go to the recipe. Take a thick pan and add coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, spices, 2 red chilies, curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 chopped onions, and saute well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute well. Add 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup grated coconut and saute well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder. Give a mix. Then add 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon fennel powder. Water ratio for this recipe is, for 1 bowl rava you have to add 1 bowl water plus 1 bowl chicken gravy. For chicken gravy recipe, please check in the I button and the description given. I have measured 500 grams rava in a bowl. In the same bowl I have taken water, 1 bowl water I have added. Mix well. Now I measure chicken gravy in the same bowl and pour it in the pan. Let it boil. Add rava, which is measured in the same bowl. Mix well with the gravy. And cook for 10 minutes in low flame. Add ghee for taste. Close and cook till water is drained. Now our chicken upma is ready. Garnish with fried onions, cashew nuts, kismis and coriander leaves. This recipe exactly tastes like biryani, so try it out and share your comments with us. Thank you for watching this recipe. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.